The Supreme Court in Canada has struck down the country's anti-prostitution laws, including bans on brothels and soliciting for clients on the street. It follows a case taken by a group of sex workers who are demanding greater safety. In a unanimous decision, the judges ruled that the legislation denied prostitutes their constitutional guarantees of life, health and safety. Grania Harrington reports.
Prostitution in Canada is legal, but still a highly risky trade. The three women who took this case, all sex workers, say previous legislation stopped them taking measures to protect themselves. The ban on third parties profiting from prostitution, aimed at pimps, prevented them from hiring security guards, and laws against keeping a brothel forced them to work alone. Friday's court ruling means there needs to be a different approach. Parliament now has a year to find a new way to regulate the trade. The Conservative government says prostitution itself is the problem and not the laws that govern it.
The government's very concerned about what will happen over the next year, but we are going to do our absolute best to put in place some laws, of course, to ensure that we can continue to protect those who are vulnerable.
In the Supreme Court, the decision was celebrated.
This is the first time in Canadian history that sex workers are truly persons. We are truly citizens of this country.
Opponents of the court's decision say opening brothels will increase cross-border traffic of women and lead to exploitation. But the women who brought this case say that although they still face many risks, soon they may no longer have to fear the police.